Would you like to be a little bit more creative in 2025? I know I definitely would like to be more creative this year, and I'm on a limited budget. So if you're in that same situation, then why not come along with me today? Because I have an idea that I really want to share with you, and I think you might find it quite exciting and cheap. That's important, isn't it? Come on, come with me and let's get going. Okay, I'm back now, and I did buy 2 canvases in the end. I bought this one first. It cost £1. Yes, I bought that because I thought that would be a really good canvas to use and do some collaging on that with all the petals and the leaves. So that was one. And then this one I'm really pleased with, cost me £2.50. And this theme of bird cages and birds was really popular, wasn't it, a few years ago? And I really like it because this picture has the birds out of the cage. They're free. And I've also got quite a few bits and pieces and resources left over from a previous upcycling, recycling video I did. Yeah, and I've got that picture with me. Let me just show you. I need to provide a little bit of context. I'm just going to show you a clip from that old video. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with it. It's a lovely print, but very faded, very jaded. And this is the finished final collage that I did. It's still the townscape. You can still recognize it as that, but a different vibe, a different feel. So if you want to watch the video for that, I'll put a link just here somewhere. Anyway, that is kind of upcycling, and that is what I'm going to do, hopefully, on this. So I think we're going to get started on that day and see where it takes us. I've got a little bit of work still to do, tidying up after Christmas. For example, let me just show you. I've got the Christmas tree and I need to plant that out today. And before we start as well, let me show you, of course, I did go to a charity shop on my journey this morning, and I bought myself, and this is completely random, but I bought myself a jacket. It cost £5.50. And the reason why I'm loving this jacket is, I think I told you, I'm volunteering at the animal sanctuary near me. I'm doing some dog walking, and I put myself down for some fostering as well. Apparently it's waterproof. I thought this was a great coat to wear, and it's big enough to cover all the jumpers and layers I always put on underneath at this time of year. So I know that's completely random and nothing to do with these paintings, but it just shows you how brilliant charity shops are. Anyway, let me tidy around a little bit, get the table set out. From my packaging materials at Christmas, I've saved myself a big piece of cardboard because I'm going to use that as a basis for my paints and everything, so I can keep the table relatively clean and tidy. Yeah, I'm not sure where this is going to go, but let's just see. I have to move you, aren't we? Come on, Millie. Yes, it is finished. Actually, it's the next day because I left it to dry overnight, but it's a completely different vibe. Now, there was nothing wrong with the original print, nothing wrong with it at all, but I wanted to use the canvas to create something completely new that would fit in with my colour scheme that I have around the place. And I love greens and blues and turquoises and greys and lilacs, and I've tried to put them in this painting. So yes, it is completely different, isn't it? I mean, love it or hate it, it doesn't matter. The process was such fun. I enjoyed every moment of it. £2.50. It's a bargain. You could definitely do something artistic and creative on the cheap if you just use your imagination and think outside the box. I hope I've shown you how to do that today. I'm hoping it will give a little bit of a relaxing vibe, especially with all the colours, and I kind of like it because the birds are free. Perhaps they'll fly towards that mountain in the distance. Anyway, thanks for coming along. I really enjoyed your company. I hope it's inspired you. I hope you'll get some creative ideas now. It really didn't turn out to be too much of a collage. There are paper pieces on it, but I ended up doing a lot of painting as well in colour blocks. But it doesn't matter, does it? Sometimes you start off with an intention of one style of art or creating, and it can take you on a completely different path. That's absolutely fine. Anyway, thanks for coming along. I hope to see you soon again. I enjoyed your company very much. Come and find me again. Bye for now.